Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I'm doing another quick and easy video. Today I'm going to be featuring one of the brand new sets from the Occasions catalog, and this is going to go live in January. So anyway, I just wanted to show you one of these because this is going to be perfect for Valentine's, and I'm going to be featuring this Sure Do Love You. And I feel like this is really nice for Valentine's, as well as it has this treat box that I'll have yet to learn how to use it, but I'm going to be using this heart because I feel like it will go really well. And this one is called Lost to Love box framelits, and again, as usual, when you purchase those two together as a bundle, you save 10%. So that's that. I'm using today, like I said, I already die cut this, and this comes from the design series paper that is called Painted with Love, a specialty paper. And I mean, you can tell this is going to be one of my favorites because every single page has foil in it, and I just love that. You know me by now. You know how I love things that shine, pretty much. So anyway, so I already die cut this this little heart, and even the back looks really well, but I really like the foil side. So anyhow, so my cardstock is Whisper White, and it's 5.5 by 8.5. I have rich raspberry, and this one is 5 1/4. Sorry, 5 1/4 by 4. And then this I have what is the name of this? Sorry about that. Berry Burst, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5. And like I said, this is going to be very simple. So let me just start doing the stamping. You will see that it's super easy. The only ink pad that we're going to be using today is the Rich Raspberry. So we're going to be doing a heart. I already put this image, so I'm just inking it, and I'm going to put it somewhere here. And by the way, this is one of the cards that I am sending as my swap for the holiday catalog, so I'm excited about it because it's going to be a lot of swaps. You know that I love swapping, and obviously this is no exception. I will be swapping, and this time I'm doing 80 cards, which I think is kind of crazy, to be honest, but I always enjoy making them. So, and I love seeing all the samples from everyone, so definitely it's worth it. So you can see I'm just stamping there, and then I have a little scrap here, which is what is this? Whisper White, and it's 1/4 of an inch. And really I'm just putting my saying, which is just for you. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna be cutting it, so don't worry about it. So that's all my stamping. I'm going to be using the fast fuse. Let me close the ink pad. I'm going to be using my fast fuse, and let's just glue the heart, and I'm going to be gluing the heart right in the middle. Then I'm going to be cutting this guy. I'm going to be doing a flag from both ends, so I just need to cut it here, and I also want it to be smaller. And it kind of looks funky because of this side, you know, so I'm just going to cut a little bit here too, because I can do it that way. Okay, because I really want it to be small, so I'm cutting it here, and the same from this side. Okay, and I'm going to be putting dimensionals with this. let me just put it here. In this case, I just run out of my mini dimensional, so I'm just going to use the larger dimensionals, just cut it in half so that it fits better. So let's just take out these things, and this one will go here. Yes, I like it. And so from there, I'm going to be gluing this to the wrist raspberry. Oh my goodness. Wrist raspberry here. Okay. Then we're going to be folding this in half. For whatever reason, I feel like this one is larger. Let me see. Maybe I didn't cut it. Yeah, let me just cut this one to 5.5. Sorry about that. I just came back. It was slightly larger. So here it is. We're gonna glue this one. We're going to be gluing this one here to the card. And I want to add a little bit more, just one little element more. Of course, because it has the gold. This ribbon, the 1/8 gold ribbon, will be perfect. So let's just make a mini bow. And as usual, I make it and then I start pulling and pulling until I find it right. I feel like I like this one. So let's just trim the edges. Add a glue dot here. And we're gonna put it here. And that's pretty much it for today. You see, that's very simple, very quick and easy, but I feel like that foil with the gold really pop it up. So I love it. I feel like it's really simple, but it just had that wow factor for me with the paper. So anyway, that's all for today. If you like my video, as usual, do put the thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel so that you get notifications whenever I post new videos. I also have a Facebook Live every Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Time, and so if you want to join us, just like my page, and you will also get the notifications as well on that. I'll have the description, or have all the information on the description of this video, and also I'll put all the items that I used, as well as more details of this card, on my blog at creatingwithali.com. So thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.